This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Today we'll be looking at how to add a download PDF button to your Shopify site. So here we have a Shopify site where we've already added that link here at the bottom where it says download PDF. And this is a PDF document that we uploaded to the Shopify site. It's not hosted anywhere else. So once you click this download link that we've added, it'll just show the PDF file that was uploaded. So I'll show you how to get that in. So here we have the default site, and when we scroll down to the bottom, we've not yet added that download PDF link. So I'll show you how to do that. So the first step would be to go into the back end of your site. So you can just do that using your site name /admin, like I've done here. Next, you're going to click where it says settings. Next, you're going to click this link that says files. And here you're going to upload the PDF document that you're trying to link to the site. So you're going to click the link that says upload files here in the top right corner. You're going to select the PDF file, and here's the file that I'm trying to link that says my Shopify document, and just click open. And then as you can see, the file is uploaded as it shows in this list. It'll be at the top. The more recent files are always at the top. And what we need is this URL. So once you click on it, it's going to highlight the entire URL. On my keyboard, I'm going to hit Ctrl-C to copy. Next, we're going to return to the front end of the site, and I'm going to hit Edit Homepage because that's where I want to add my link for the PDF document. So I'm going to add a section. It's going to where I can add the button for PDF. So I'm going to click Add Section over here on the left side. And I'm going to use the option Image with Text. And I'm going to hit Add. So next we're going to scroll down to the bottom. And we're adding like a button link for the PDF. So here I'm going to type download PDF. And here where it says button link, that's where you're going to paste the code that we copied earlier. So I'm going to hit Control and V on my keyboard to paste that in. And it comes up like this. I'm just going to click it. And there's my download my PDF link. So I'm going to save the page. So changes are saved. Now when we head back to the home page of the site, as I'm going to do now, let's go right down to the bottom where we added a new section. I can click this link that says download my PDF, and it links directly to the PDF document that was uploaded. Okay.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.